This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Nancy Ehlen. Fantastic 2-bedroom, 2.5-bath villa located in the beautiful gated community of Artesia. This spacious 2-level split floor plan comes complete with attached 2-car garage, impact windows, and a view that captures the beautiful Paradise Coast sunsets. This unit is ready for new owners who love $1 million view without the $1 million price tag. Conveniently located and close to Marco Island, downtown Naples and Southwest Florida International Airport. This community is pet-friendly and active. For more information, review the details below or contact Nancy Ehlen at 239-494-0455.